In this day and age, with hacking attacks so prevalent, it is important to have a robust password policy. With Okappy you can set passwords for your employees and change them periodically. Your employees can also change their own password when logged in on the web or from their mobile devices. This short video takes you through the process of changing the password for an employee. To change a password for one of your employees when logged in on the web, click the connection icon towards the top right of the screen. Select Employees. Find your employee. Click the three dots menu next to their name. Select Change Password. The Change Password dialog window is shown. A random password will be chosen for you. You can use this password or create your own. Click the Notify by Email checkbox to send a notification email to your employee. Alternatively, you can send a password reset link to your employee. This will send your employee an email with a link where your employee can change the password themselves. Please ensure you use strong passwords. If you have the Notify by Email checkbox clicked or you are sending a password reset link, please ensure their email is correct and that it does not end up in their spam or junk folders.